Hello everyone, this is Manish Ahuja, PGT Mathematics, Shanti Gyan Niketan Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to discuss about solution of a quadratic equation. This chapter is in class 10, so let us learn the solution of a quadratic equation. Now first point, everyone should know that quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now you should understand that here a means coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is called the constant term, the term without x. Let us take an example. If I write an equation 7x square plus 9x plus 2 equal to 0. Now try to observe the three different values of a, b and c. Here value of a is 7, then value of b here will be 9 and value of c will be 2. Just try to learn. The term with x square was a, so term with x square is 7. It means what we can write is, when we do the comparison, we can very simply write that a is equal to 7. Now the next thing which you should understand very well is that b here is 9. As you can observe, the coefficient of x was b. Coefficient of x is 9, so value of b will be 9. Now the third value which you can see, please try to observe. In this case, you should try to see that value of c is equal to 2. So what we have learned till now is that there are three values. First value is a, second is b, the third one is c. A means coefficient of x square, b means coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Constant means the term which is without x. So now let us move forward very quickly to the next thing after a, b and c. After a, b and c, the next thing is called d. Now d means the discriminant. Please learn, d means the discriminant. Now what is the formula for d? So please try to learn. For d, the formula is b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is calculated first by applying the formula which is b square minus 4ac. Now let us calculate d, and for calculation of d, please try to see that we can put the value of a, b and c right here. Please see, d will be here 9, value of b was 9, so b square becomes 9 square, then we have minus 4, then we have value of a which was 7 and value of c which was 2. So please see, value of a was 7, value of b was 9, value of c was 2. So here we are putting the values of a, b and c. And as we put the values, please see, when we calculate d, what do we get is square of 9 will be 81. So it becomes 81 minus 4 into 7 is 28, and 28 into 2 will be 56. So very simply, we'll write the multiplier as 56. So 81 minus 56 is 25. So first thing to be calculated whenever you want to solve a quadratic equation is d. D means discriminant, and for discriminant the formula is b square minus 4ac. You need to put the values of a, b and c. Now moving forward, you need to calculate the value of x. That is called the solution of the equation or the roots of the equation. So what you should understand is the formula for this x. Now there are two formulas of this, because the quadratic equation has the degree 2. The highest degree of the variable is 2, so there are two answers right here. There are two roots, and how do we write is, we write them as minus b plus minus under root d divided by 2a. So we can write them in two ways. First way is writing them together. The second way we can write is that we can write x is equal to, in the first case, we can write that as minus b plus root d divided by 2a. The second formula is x is equal to minus b minus root d divided by 2a. So as you have observed, there are two formulas because there are two roots, so two formulas are there. Now finally, what we can write is, we can write the two answers, that is the answers of x. Please see, first will be x, then we'll write minus b. Please concentrate here, b was 9. Just observe here, b was 9. So let us put the value quickly. What we can observe is it will be minus 9 in the first case as well as in the second case. In the second case also, exact similarly, value of b has been put. Now we did calculate d. D was 25. So one time it will be under the root 25, which is positive, and second time, please try to concentrate. When we write it second time, it will be minus root 25, and then it will be divided by 2a. So when I write 2a, it will be 2 into. Again here it will be 2 into. Just try to see. We have already written the value of a as 7. So what we'll do is, here we are going to put the value of a as 7. So the formula contains three values only. One is a, other is b, the third one is d. So here you should see it is minus 9 plus square root of 25 will be 5. 2 into 7 is 14. And here also please try to see, square root of 25 will be 5 and 2 into 7 is 14. One time root 25, that is 5, will be positive. Other time root 25, which is negative, will be negative. So one time it is positive, one time it is negative. And finally we are coming to the answer. We have got minus 9 plus 5. So what we can write it as minus 4 upon 14. And on the other side, you can see that minus 9 and minus 5 are of same, that is both are negative. So it becomes minus 14 divided by 14. It gets cancelled. And finally, we have arrived at the answer. The first answer here is minus 1. And here when I do the cancellation, it is 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14. So we are at the answer which is minus 2 by 7. And the second answer will be minus 1. So these are the two answers which you should certainly understand. The first one is minus 2 upon 7 and the second one is minus 1. There are two solutions of a quadratic equation. These are also known as roots. And one more very important point, please see, this quadratic equation earlier was in terms of x. So the variable was x. We have calculated the values of x. And in other cases, what you can see is the quadratic equation will be having the variable y. So it can be 7y square plus 9y plus 2 is equal to 0. In that case, the answer would have been the value of y. It is not always x. The variable here was x, so the answer are in terms of x. The variables can be y, so the answers will be in the terms of y. So in this way, we can calculate the two roots, the two solutions of the quadratic equation. We'll revise it quickly. Please concentrate. We started with the basic quadratic equation. Please see, it was ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which was 7x square. An example, this was an example that 7x square plus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. And we calculated the values of a, b, and c. A was coefficient of x square, b was coefficient of x, and c was the constant term. Constant means the term without x. Then we move forward. We calculated the value of d. D means discriminant. We have calculated d by applying the formula b square minus 4ac. In the formula, we have applied the values of a, which was 7, b, which was 9, and c, which was 2. We did the square of b, which was 81. 4 into 7, 28. 28 2 will be 56. 81 minus 56 will be 25. So first thing is you should know how to calculate the value of D. Now, after calculation of D, there are the two roots of this equation. We can write them together as minus B plus minus root D upon 2A, or we can write them separately as minus B plus root D upon 2A and minus B minus root D upon 2A. After that, we are going to put the values. So we have substituted the values of A, B and D, and square root of D was done. One time it was positive, other time it was negative. We have kept them in the lowest terms, and these two lowest terms are the answers.
Thank you, everyone. In the next video, I will be discussing about the nature of roots. All the best.